Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Haejin from Hanshi. Today I want to go over Clausal Connective unde, nunde with you guys. What is Clausal Connective? It is those buts and ands that connects your clauses in your sentence. Today's Clausal Connective unde, nunde has three different functions. The first main function of this Clausal Connective is giving background information. And the second one is contrasting the two clauses in your sentence. And then the third one is giving a justification to your suggestion or your proposal. Simply put, giving a reason. But you have to recognize when nunde and unde is used. Nunde is used with verbs, past tense, and 있다, 없다. For unde, you need to use them with adjectives and copula verbs. What copula verb is a to be verb, 이다 in Korean. So when you say, if you're a student, when you say 저는 학생이에요, that 이에요 comes from 이다, to be verb. So whenever you see that 이다 verb, you need to use that with unde. I want to get into conjugations before I get into examples because there are some irregulars that you do need to watch out for. With regular verbs, the conjugations are pretty simple. Just drop the stem 타, add nunde. However, when you see a verb such as 알다, to know, it's a real irregular verb. And it does unfortunately need to be applied by the irregular rules, which is 니은, 비읍, 시옷, and 으. Whenever you see them with 리을, you drop it. So with 알다, when you're attaching nunde, because it's a verb, do you see 니은, 비읍, 시옷, or 으? Yes, because with nunde, you see a 니은. Therefore, you drop 리을, then you're left with 아, and you attach that with nunde. 아는데 is a complete conjugated form of 알다. But 알다 in a past tense is regular because 엇, 앗 is the ones that makes a verb into a past tense, right? But 엇, 앗 does not have 니은, 비읍, 시옷, or 으. Therefore, you just keep 리을 and attach 앗. 알았다. 알았다 is a past form of 알다. Therefore, just drop the stem 타, attach 는데. 알았는데. And with 있다, 없다, let's say you're conjugating 재미있다. 재미있다 means to be fun. And that is an adjective. However, you see a 있다. Then you attach 는데 instead of 은데. So it becomes 재미있는데. And when you're conjugating adjectives with 은데, let's try to look at 좋다, to be good. 좋다 without the stem 다, it ends with a consonant. Therefore, you add 은데 instead of 니은데. Yes, you do need to differentiate between consonant and vowel for 은데. So 좋다 becomes 좋은데. How about with an adjective 멀다, to be far? Again, you see that 리을. With 은데, you see a 으. Therefore, you drop 리을 and 으, and you're left with 멀 and 니은데. It conjugates to 먼데. But when 멀다 becomes a past tense, even though 멀다 is an adjective, if you want to use this word with a past tense, you do need to stick with 는데 instead of 은데. 멀다 in a past tense, 멀었다. Because again, you see 엇, 앗 instead of 니은, 비읍, 시옷, or 으. So 멀었다, drop the stem 타, add 는데, 멀었는데. And another irregular you do need to watch out for is 비읍 irregular. For example, with an adjective 춥다, to be cold, you see a 비읍. Then you have to see if 은데 has a vowel. 은데 has a vowel. Therefore, you drop 비읍 and add 우, and you also drop that 으. You're left with 추우 and 니은데. Combine them together is 추운데, 추운데. But for 비읍 irregular, past tense is also irregular because with 엇, 앗, you see another vowel. So you drop 비읍, add 우, and attach 엇, then it becomes 추웠는데. Again, 춥다, it is an adjective, but you're using it in a past tense, so you need to use 는데, 추웠는데. And with copula 이다, without the stem 다, 이 ends with a vowel. Therefore, you need to use 니은테. 이다 becomes 인데. I know your brains are getting fried, but let's get to examples so that you know when to use these clausal connectives. So like I said, the main function that 은대, 는대 has is giving background information. For example, when you say 한국어를 배우는데 재미있어요. 한국어, Korean language. 배우다 means to learn. It's a verb, therefore you attach it with 는데. 배우는데 재미있어요, to be fun. So your main clause is something's fun, 재미있어요. So what is fun? Learning Korean language. And the second function, contrasting. Let's try to use an example. 한국어는 재미있는데 어려워요. 한국어, Korean language. 재미있다 is an adjective, but you see 있다. Therefore, you need to use 는데. So 재미있는데 어려워요. 어렵다 means to be difficult. So Korean language is fun, but it's difficult. It's used as a but in the sentence. And third, when you're giving a justification to your suggestion or your proposal. Let's say you're in a situation where your friend asked you to suggest him or her which language to learn as a second language. And as someone who already learned Korean language, you want to suggest your friend to learn Korean language. Then you say, 한국어가 재미있는데 한국어를 배우세요. Korean language is fun, therefore 한국어를 배우세요. Learn Korean language. So learn Korean language because it's fun. That's the way you give justification to your suggestion to your friend. So that was it for this video. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. I know they were difficult, so if you want to ask me questions, feel free to leave them. If you thought this video was helpful, please press like and the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!